Hey y'all, Chef Irix Guy here, and within this video I want to talk about how to clean the, this is a GE Smart double oven, because when I push here or open the door, the virtual buttons appear, and if I try to clean this, I'm pushing the button. So what do? Well, it's actually very simple. Over here is 0. You hold the 0 key, which will lock the control, so hold the 0 key for 3 seconds. It'll make this chime sound like that, which means the controls are locked. So now you can use your cleaning cloth and you can clean, because the buttons, if you use these buttons, you'll probably get smudges on it. You can clean with the display locked without it trying to push any of the buttons. So you can see now I've cleaned that, and now what I can do to unlock it after I finish cleaning is hold 0 for 3 seconds. Controls are unlocked, so now the controls are available again. So if you were driving yourself crazy, you know, how do you clean a GE Smart double oven without pushing the buttons? That's how you do it. So, you know, again, to explain, you just push and hold 0 for 3 seconds. That'll lock it. Then you do your cleaning. Once you finish cleaning, hold 0 for 3 seconds to unlock it, and then your oven is functional again. But just something nice to know, because if you didn't know that, you would probably feel like an idiot, and you know, you may have even been someone that ran to the breaker box and turned the power off to clean your oven, not knowing that you could simply lock the display like that. So I hope this video helped. If it did, send me a super thanks. Click that super thanks button down below this video. Not required, but deeply appreciated if you choose to do so. And like this video, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified whenever I post another video. Y'all have a good day.
Hey y'all, Irix Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.